More than 200 exquisite items of Gandhara art are on display at China's Gansu Provincial Museum. Gandhara, an ancient region where various cultures converged and encompassed parts of present-day Pakistan. Titled Gandhara Heritage Along the Silk Road, a Pakistan-China joint exhibition, the exhibition traces the origin and development of Gandhara art, demonstrating the long-standing cultural and artistic exchanges between China and Pakistan.
从砚土了传到新疆，再传到甘肃，再传在我们内地，所以好多我们在中原内地石窟能看到好多这个砚土的造像的这些影子。
The archaeologists of the two countries have been actually working together, especially since 2004, and we actually wanted to bring the exhibition to China and to showcase what kind of artifacts we have. So it's taken us many years, almost 20 years, to bring this about. Silk Road has been there for the last so many centuries. People have been traveling on the Silk Road and the trade has been going, and we are very proud and we are very happy to share these artifacts with our Chinese friends.